Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming back at you with part 2 of our Topps Heritage high number break for 2015 baseball. So let's get cracking here. Jason Marquis, Ross Ditweiler, Eric Sogard, Asher, how do you pronounce his last name? Evan Schreiber, Alex Torres, Tyler Mora, AJ Ramos, and how do you pronounce this guy's name? Sorry. Colin Cowgill, Ike Davis, Daniel Descalso, Jake Marisnick, Max Scherzer, Shane Gilmartin, Cabrera, Tony Singani, Casey Johansson. I apologize if I'm totally butchering some of these people's names. I apologize. Orlando Calix, Desmond Jennings, and Jeff Cabrera, Tommy Pham, Edison Lopez, Kyle Blanks, Robinson Charanis, Christian Walker, and Mason Williams. Kobe Rasmus, Richie Weeks, Joe Smith, and Travis Saletta. This is not King Fisher, Uvaldo Jimenez, Mason, David Jones, Joe Jones. Hansel Lopez, Tyler Flowers, Tyler Clement, Dr. Young, Trevor Cahill, Quam, Kevin Pollick, Linus Campos, Smoke, Carlos Sanchez, Luis Valbuena. Angel Nesbitt, Ruben Tejada, Lorenzen, David Beckham, Ismani Tomas, Rob Williams, Tim Beckham, Danny Muno, and Grant Balfour. Preston Tucker, Noah Syndergaard, Matt Whistler, Tyler Clifford, Red Sox Triad, J.R. Graham, Anthony Ronald, Anthony Descafani, Stephen Drew. 5 more. Will Venable, Jimmy Nelson, Ryan Matson, David Phelps, Coover, Nan, Slade Heathcock, Ryan Flaherty, Billy Burns, Sam Flood. Still hoping for that Chris Bryant. You have AJ Cora, Caleb Joseph, Carlos Perez, Brady Sizemore, Austin Hedges, Java Chamberlain, Brett Anderson, Mike Everest, and Steven Sousa Jr. Mike Pelfrey, Luke Gregerson, Byron Pena, Matt Joyce, Daniel Norris, Rookie Performers, Eric Campbell, AJ Przynski, Michael Bledsick, TJ House. Johnny Giovitella, Seth Smith, Jose Urena, Alex Rios, Rizal Iglesias, David DeJesus, Bobby Parnell, Jack Lubbersic, Alexei Armstead. Okay. Nick Martinez, Marcus Simeon, Tyler Olson, Micah Johnson, Madison Baumgartner, Lance McCullers Jr., Francisco Cervelli, Chichi Gonzalez, and Delando DeShields. So there you have it. That was the completion of one box of 2015 Topps High Number. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.